Hey everybody, this is a quick video. In case you have LG Tone Free HBS-FN7 Bluetooth earbuds and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. You might want to do this for one of two reasons. The first is troubleshooting. If these earbuds are not connecting to Bluetooth, or if they're not pairing or syncing with your device, or if you're only getting sound out of one ear, only sound out of the left ear or the right ear, or any kind of connection issues where they're not working, can very often be fixed with a hard reset. Now you will need to pair them again with your device because everything will be restored to the out-of-the-box factory defaults, which is the second reason you might want to do this. If you just want to set them up on a new device, or for whatever reason you want to get a fresh start, we can go ahead and do that. It's very easy. We just need to set our earbuds in the case as shown here, and then we're going to come in and on either the left or the right earbud, it doesn't actually matter, we're going to press and hold the button on the back of the earbud for 10 seconds. And just press and hold it, and you'll see after 10 seconds, this indicator light here will blink several times in red, indicating that the reset is complete. We can go ahead and reset up our earbuds as a new device.